Ball of Fame autographs. This is for autographed baseballs. It's the Ball of Fame. This was a random names break. This is for a two-boxer. This was two boxes. Case 2, boxes 5 and 6, and the Ball of Fame baseballs. Good luck, folks. Please give our channel a follow at Breakers.tv under Boom City Breaks. Please also join our Facebook group under Boom City Breaks. And please also look out for our eBay auctions under Boom City Breaks. Good luck, folks. Please let me get some rippets in the chat. Here we go. Ball number 5 going first. Ball number 5. Here we go. Yeah, DJ. Uh-oh, guys. This could mean something big here. Something on the ball. Here we go. Cal Ripken Jr., ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Boom. Cal Ripken Jr., folks. Let me see who has Cal Ripken. Cal Ripken Jr. is going out to Brewski. Nice one, Brew. Can't go wrong with Cal Ripken Jr., sir. Got a nice signature on the ball. It's got the PSA DNA sticker on the ball right there for your certification. That ball is going out to Brewski. Cal Ripken Jr., congratulations, Brew. All right, that's the first ball. We got one more to go, folks. All right, box number 6. All right, you got your PSA DNA in a box. Oops, it fell down. Okay. Good luck. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to stretch the damn plastic where you can see it. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is Kurt Schilling, but I'm not sure. I think that's a Kurt Schilling, guys. I think it's Kurt Schilling. Here's the PSA DNA. Can someone verify for me? It's AB68751. Pretty positive it's Kurt Schilling, though. Jim Palmer. Is it Jim Palmer? Oh, wow. All right, then. We got a Jim Palmer ball. Jim Palmer. Let me see. Who has Jim Palmer? Jim Palmer going out to Brewski, too. Brewski with back-to-backs. Appreciate it. Brewski with back-to-back hits. The Jim Palmer and Cal Ripken. Brewski took it down. Jim Palmer and Cal Ripken. Congratulations. Thanks for watching.